What's going on? My name is Jesse Eker and welcome to my YouTube channel. For the last 8 years, I've worked with T. Harv Eker, who is my dad, and I've worked on bringing his offline brand online. Over those 8 years, we've spent millions of dollars, created a multi-million-dollar business together, and now I'm finally ready to share what's worked, what hasn't, and how we've been able to grow our business to 16 plus people on our team. And I want to share with you what works on the money side, what works on the impact side, what works on the mindset side, but also how to build an online brand and how to build an online business that you can rely on and that can help you achieve your goals and dreams. So this YouTube channel is all about me sharing the inside goods about what works, what doesn't, and how you can use this information in your life. I try to keep things simple. I try to keep them concise. I try not to put any fluff or blabble about anything. You know, sometimes I don't say words right and sometimes I ramble. I'm human and we all are, and that's what you're gonna get from this YouTube channel is a very authentic, transparent person that's going to share everything I can that's going to help make your life better. The reason why I really started this YouTube channel though in the first place is because I'm obsessed with people's transformations. Obviously having a dad who is ingrained in the personal development, personal success industry, I know what it's like for someone to have a breakthrough. I love seeing our students have results. I love seeing our students have a breakthrough. I love seeing them reach their financial goals. It's an addicting feeling for me, and that's why I really wanted to start this YouTube channel so I can reach more people and share what I've been working on recently to help you in different areas of your money, your mindset, and your impact. So get ready for a really exciting channel. It's going to be super fun. We're gonna make it entertaining. Hopefully it's not lame as heck, but I know it won't because we're in charge of that for you. So what you need to do next is subscribe to this channel. And what you'll get when you subscribe is you'll get a weekly video of some heat for your viewing. You're going to get some trainings, you'll get some models, you'll get some frameworks, you'll get something to be actionable so that you can take and use it in your business and in your life to have more financial success, more personal success, increase your wealth, increase your impact, and just have an all-around, what I think, better life in general. So subscribe to this channel, stay with me, start conversations, comment on the videos because I'm gonna comment back. And let's have some fun. Thanks for being here and watching this video. I appreciate your attention. I appreciate your commitment to learning and growing, and let's do this together. Bye for now and talk to you soon. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I started this YouTube channel mainly because I have no idea why I started it. My name again is Jesse Eker, like I just said that, and wow, that is just embarrassing.